there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coyote Gamer here. Tuesdays are for the boys. I just sent them.
Alright guys, welcome back to Coyote Gamer. So this camera doesn't really look that good. I'm not using my DSLR, I'm using my handheld camcorder. It's alright. My DSLR is a lot better, but yeah. Well, what are we doing today? We are this is the Nissan. This is just absolutely disgusting. We're gonna take out the seat first. We got the Harbor Freight vacuum cleaner right here, wet vac, $48. I'm gonna start cleaning. This smells so bad, so humid. I'm gonna try to take out the dent. Today we're gonna try to take out all the interior. Let me show you guys the damage here. That control arm right there snapped. Spring popped out. And the other side, we got control arm right there just bent. Right there, bent. So that needs to get replaced too. Alright guys, so we're taking out the seats with the new, Harbor Freight tools. But yeah, we got taking out the seats here. There's a 14 mil. We're taking out all of them. So this is the last bolt here. Let me focus with my other finger. Bolt is out. Now it should be clear. Oh yeah. Here's my nice little kit. I love it. $20. Actually, 18 bucks. Alright guys, we are taking out the seat belt holder lock, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. But we're taking it out. Alright guys, this is like the most simplest seat to take out. The most simplest seat belt. That's a 14 mil and a 10 mil. The plastic pieces are super easy to take out. That's literally it. Then we go to the junkyard, get another one, and put it in. So, weird thing, there was no electronic holding this or plugged up to it, so it's all mechanical, not electronic. That's good, because these are electronic. You had to plug these in. These are manuals. All right, guys, we got our strip down. All the stuff is over there. Stripped down, I guess you want to call it, but we got like an unlimited amount of coins. We have all those. We got a pile already up there. This car is dirty, man, very dirty, but we got her stripped out. All we did was a 10 and a 14 mil. Got the seatbelts out. Literally took me like 20 minutes to do this by myself. I'm gonna start stripping out the doors because I need new doors. I'm gonna keep the door cards because this was still good, so we're gonna strip everything out inside, and then yeah, I guess we'll start vacuum with the Harbor Freight vacuum. All the water. I'll see if I can shampoo carpets or whatever, but yeah, she's getting there slowly. But all right, guys, well, let's do wet vac. Never done this, so first time, right? Alright, I got 22 seconds on this SD card, but this is how it looks right now. All dirty. And then just gonna use some degreaser and that and start brushing. Alright guys, so just had to go change my SD card. I'm taking out the airbag, see how it comes out. Floor is They're actually starting to get much cleaner. She's getting there, but not yet. Just Dawn, wash soap and scrubbing and vacuuming. But I just want to take this out because it's just in my nerves. This thing just hanging out. So well, a lot of you guys know there's this big huge dent right here, and there's a lot of water here. I'm gonna vacuum all this junk out, but I'm gonna start hammering it with. I bought this mallet at Harbor Freight, and we're gonna hammer it from the inside. See how it turns out. You guys are gonna ask me, what in the heck are you doing? Well, this is in the way, so I'm just gonna chop it. Like the carpet's on it, so you can't see it. So, and I'm not even gonna chop it. Call it a day. Well, there's a piece of metal. I do have to use mouth protection glasses and that because I've already gone to the hospital for I have lung issues because all the cutting stuff I do. So still good.